In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a habit tracker in Notion. Whether you're aiming to form better habits or just keep track of your daily goals, Notion provides a versatile platform to organize and monitor your progress. Let's start from the very beginning. First, you'll need to head over to your Notion account and log in. If you don't already have an account, signing up is free and pretty straightforward. Once you're logged in, we need to create a new page dedicated to tracking your habits. Click on Create a New Page, which you'll find usually on the left side panel of your Notion workspace. This fresh page will be the blank canvas for your habit tracking masterpiece. Naming your page is significant because it will keep you organized, especially if you're managing multiple projects in Notion. Call it Habit Tracker, so every time you glance at your dashboard, you'll remember what this page is for. With your page titled, it's time to transform it into a database that will serve as the heart of your habit tracker. To do this, simply type in the command wash table view. This command automatically creates a database in the form of a table right there on your new page. Believe it or not, this table is going to be where all the magic happens. It's flexible, customizable, and perfectly suited for tracking anything you want. Now, let's set up your columns. The primary column will usually represent the days you are tracking, but you can name it according to your preference as well. The next step involves adding checkbox columns. Each of these columns will represent a different habit you want to track. For instance, if you're focusing on drink water or exercise, create a checkbox column for each of those habits. This visual representation helps you quickly check off your accomplishments each day, reinforcing your progress. There's another layer of customization you can use to make your habit tracker both functional and visually appealing, and that's through color modifications. To personalize it with color, click on Settings, find the option Conditional Color, and through this, you can set specific colors for different conditions. For example, if you've completed all your tasks for the day, you could have the row turn green to celebrate your success visually. By now, your habit tracker should be coming together smoothly. Each of these steps results in a fully operational tool that encourages accountability and highlights your progress at a glance. Thanks for following along, and good luck with your habit tracking journey. Remember, consistency is key, and with your new habit tracker in Notion, you are well on your way to achieving your goals.